Hi everyone, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Fashanisto, where you get all about beautiful things about fashion related videos and trendy videos. So guys, today's video is all about beautiful simple henna prints and beautiful finger mehndi design or finger henna design, you may say. And in this video you will most probably see the beautiful and not just beautiful but the easy and simplest finger mehndi design. From simple to complex, we have a huge variety, and you will see all the beautiful designs, and all of these designs are so beautiful. But I must say that they are really not easy to make at hands. It's very tough to recreate these beautiful prints or designs, and because we are not professional, I must say that if you are a professional one, then this video is especially for you, because in this video you will see all the beautiful designs and you can recreate them on your customer and can earn more and more. Well, for somebody like us who just knew how to handle the henna cone and that stuff, can can draw or can make such articles or designs on hands, but not in a very good way. Like we can, but the neatness will not be that much high as compared to some professional. And I often recreate beautiful henna designs on my hands, but the real one and the one on my hand, both look too different. And yeah, that's how it is, so nothing to worry about. It's okay. Henna is a cultural thing. It's a cultural thing to put henna on hands, or women's put henna decades ago, and that's a gesture of love and prosperity in someone's heart. Okay. So yeah, nowadays women are more likely to have a simpler like that finger henna design. It's also called a temporary tattoo designs or temporary tattoo. Henna is also called temporary tattoo because it gives you a beautiful imprint, and it's really amazing. It's a beautiful feeling. The smell of henna is so amazing. I was just in love with it, but now I just don't like it. I don't know why, but yeah, it is. So I'm damn sure that all of these articles showing in this video will help you out and drawing the best article on your hand. And moreover guys, if you are looking for beautiful leather footwear, shoes, heels, sandals and all that stuff, so do watch our previous videos. Go to our channel and watch all of these videos. And if you are looking for Pakistani three-piece stitched suits or a two-piece suit or a branded boutique style dresses or lehenga designs and all that stuff, you can also watch our previous videos. And yeah, you can purchase all of the articles, or either they are of clothing or related to shoes. You can just place your order and have that at your doorstep easily by placing online order at our official website. And I have also shared the link down below in the description, from where you just can click on the link and you can purchase whatever you want to, and you can get global delivery. I must tell you that the delivery charges vary according to your state, country and residency, so keep that thing in mind. And yes guys, if you have any query, any question, so please let me know in the comment section. Moreover, keep yourself positive, because positive attracts positive. If you get yourself negative vibes, you can't move forward. And please try not to be jealous of someone's success and all that. But I must tell you that all of my YouTube family, I just love you and thank you so much for your kind support and love. Your you all means a lot to us. I must say that if you are watching our video and liking our video, so then please give us a thumbs up. It will give us some motivation, and do share our videos with your family and friends so that they can also make such beautiful designs on their hands. And also share our channel videos with your family and friends for clothing and shoes related information. We have all quality of dressings and footwears. So do watch the video till the end, and I'm damn sure that you will find the best articles for your henna design. And if you are a bride to be, then you can also watch this video because we have beautiful articles for the bride as well. So yeah, don't skip the video, watch the video till end.